This video will show you how to download the data for your textbook. There'll be another video showing you how to get started on the exercises, but this one specifically is about how to download the data. So I'm starting in, let's go back. I'm starting in the modules page, and if you look at the bottom of the last item in the welcome module, you'll see getting started with textbook exercises. This page has some information, the list of videos. These videos will eventually be here, but it shows you that this textbook is different from the one used in 110. Here is how you install the data. The first thing you'll do is go ahead and click on this link to download the data. This will take you to the book resources page for the textbook through Esri. And halfway down the page, you'll see there's a link to resources. Click here to download the data. Unlike with 110, if you click on this, it downloads everything in that data set. So all the data for the entire textbook. So while this is downloading, I'm just going to pause the video. Okay, we can see that this executable file has fully downloaded. The next step is to go ahead and launch it. And you'll see that the tutorial is starting to pop up, the installation tutorial. All right, sorry about that. Our next screen here will show you that you're welcome to the installation wizard for the data. We'll go ahead and click next. You'll agree to the license agreement. You can read it, of course. And then it's going to ask you where to save it. If you have the opportunity to save it directly to your C drive on your home computer, this is your best option because it will be the fewest changes you'll have to do in each exercise. But if you can't, if you're saving it to an external hard drive, that works too. You can change to where you're saving it. If you want to save it to an external hard drive, let's say I do. And then so you can link to where you want to save it. You can make a new file, whatever you need to do, and click OK. And then you'll click, this is telling you where it's saving it. So this is important to remember for when you go back to find the data later. So try to pay attention to that. And this will take a minute to install. So I'll just hit pause. All right, so you can see that now the installation is completed. It's successfully installed the data for this tutorial. So remember, this was me installing it on an external hard drive on my E drive. If you want to install it on your C drive, I do recommend that. You wouldn't have to change the path, but now we can just click finish. And then if we go to, we can go to your computer. You can link to either the C drive, maybe you saved it there. So I have a copy of it here. And then if you saved it to an external hard drive, you look for that external hard drive and where you saved the data. Maybe I didn't save it here. Oh, okay. What happened was when I just saved it to this folder, my 111 folder, it has all of the data sets for this data, for the project, for the textbook, but it saved them all separately. So save them into their own separate folders so you can easily find them later. That'd be my recommendation. So if you look at my example under the C drive, it has the data, exercise, assignments all together in this one folder. So that might be something to think about to change. But other than that, you should have access to all of your data. And stay tuned for the next video on how to actually use it.